Hey, what's up guys? So if you decide to buy the Smile Direct Club electric toothbrush, this is what you will get. So quiet sonic vibration, move bristly, not your hand. So you don't have to move your hand to brush it. It does everything to itself. Unique Bristol blend, softly scrub and deeply clean teeth while massaging gums. Timer guide. 3-in-1 traveling kit case. So I'll show you exactly what that's supposed to mean. So you get a nice little box like this. This is the graphite brush metal. 1 electric toothbrush, 1 3-in-1 travel case, and 1 AAA battery you will get. On the back side is basically what I was reading. So you can see here, travel, magnet mount, stand, and your toothbrush itself with the brush head. So you get the brush head and you get the battery. So let's get it open, see what it looks like. Okay, in the box, you will get personalized silicone rings. Your Smile, tell you about all the Smile Direct discount, $100 off basically. You get your manual, and your manual, it will tell you everything that you need to know about your brush and your brush head. So on the back side of the brush head is your tongue scraper. Okay, so it has a timer. Every 30 seconds, a soft buzz remind you to switch focus areas. And personalizing ring. So basically, if you're gonna use it with somebody else, your wife or somebody else, you put a ring. And if she has one too, she has the other ring, so you won't mix it up. So personalizing ring is for just in case you have two. So you can hear it. Sounds pretty quiet. Twist, you take your brush head off, twist it back on, your brush head goes back on, screw the bottom, your 1 battery will be right there. Put it back in. Good thing it's only 1 battery. And every 30 seconds will give you a buzz so you can switch side. There you go. It stops and it starts back up. So every 30 seconds we'll do that. So if you're brushing one side, when it does that, you switch to the other side, then you switch to the bottom, then you switch to the thing, then you switch to the front, then you go to the back. About 2 minutes you're gonna take to basically do your whole mouth. It's very nice, very light, and final. Okay, so that's one type of way you can put it. Put it on top of your sink or whichever way you want to put it, or not, you can put it in the inside just like that, hang it on the wall, and this is your cover. Very nice, very nice. Well, that's about it. Awesome toothbrush.